Logistics is the lifeblood of any enterprise. Irreplaceable, it demands precision and reliability, particularly in industries where each unique product has become the norm in manufacturing. The automotive industry is a prime example, where mass production meets individual customization. Manufacturers must meticulously plan every second of their processes. As a Tier 1 supplier, Schnellecke Logistics ensures that a car factory receives the right components on time and in the best quality. This efficiency is driven by digital transformation.
Ensuring uninterrupted production hinges on the immediate availability of vital components at all times. This principle forms the core of the just-in-sequence supply strategy, a critical approach for seamless operations, particularly in automotive manufacturing. To guarantee rapid and accurate delivery of quality-assured components, Schnellecke leans on the advanced capabilities of the Eman WMS system, a solution engineered by Anasoft.
Our system merges state-of-the-art technologies, including IoT, digital twins, and artificial intelligence. This combination is key to orchestrating intricate intralogistics, supply chain, and warehousing operations, covering the whole spectrum of material flow. The system is designed to empower operations to reach peak efficiency, optimizing performance while minimizing the use of enterprise resources.
At Schnellecke, the focus is on holistically managed logistics. This approach ensures that the system comprehensively considers real-time demands, situational factors, and available resources within the material flow throughout the entire operation. The aim is to facilitate seamless intralogistics management, ensuring the precise completion of components, and guaranteeing their timely arrival on the production line.
We've created a digital twin of all objects and processes, what led to the digital automation of the warehouse. This allows our system to adapt instantly to any changes, securing an uninterrupted supply chain even amidst unforeseen events. This is the reason why the system Eman stands as the optimal solution for safeguarding business-critical operations.
Schnellecke Logistics stands as an international leader in the automotive industry's logistics. Their extensive experience, however, doesn't stop them from relentlessly pursuing advancements in their services. At the forefront of this quest are digital innovations, which the company integrates to refine their logistics operations.
Manufacturing logistics has undergone a remarkable transformation. Today, it encompasses more than just precision and quality in supply. We have innovated our services of quality control of incoming materials, support of assembly processes, and control of components being dispatched to production lines.
Efficiently handling such a vast array of tasks within tight time frames is unfeasible without the leverage of digital support.
In addition to Anasoft's WMS system, our workstations are equipped with their MES system. This integration is pivotal in meeting the rigorous quality standards we uphold. The system generates detailed birth certificates for each component, ensuring traceability and compliance with the highest quality benchmarks.
With the integration of digital management systems, Schnellecke is progressing towards the smart factory concept. However, the automation extends beyond just the deployment of robots. The smart factory approach entails sophisticated management systems that harness operational data for efficient planning, quality control, and maintenance.
Common perception of automation conjures images of people-less environments, but our experience paints a different picture. At our facilities, automation has been a catalyst for enhancing the social climate. It has transformed our workspaces into more ergonomic and comfortable, significantly elevating worker safety. This positive shift has not only improved employee satisfaction, but has also contributed to a notable reduction in staff turnover.
The system Eman virtualizes the warehouse by harnessing dynamic digital twin technology, effectively digitalizing real-world processes. This means that the physical enterprise resources are not just digitized but also imbued with their own intelligence.
Digital twins are ideal for large logistics companies such as Schnellecke Logistics. In an environment bustling with extensive inventory and numerous orders, swift, precise, and adaptable decision-making is essential. Digital twins excel in this regard, capable of making informed decisions almost instantaneously. They are akin to a GPS for manufacturing and logistics, not only providing real-time insights into current positioning and future directions but also adeptly navigating the path ahead.
The digitalization at Schnellecke offers more than just efficiency, it provides a range of extra benefits.
With WMS and MES systems, we've streamlined our operations, cutting our handling and transport resources by half, yet maintaining productivity even at peak times. Crucially, we can prepare and dispatch the right, high-quality components within just 17 minutes of an order.
The intelligent management of intralogistics and assembly with the Eman WMS and MES system demonstrates the effectiveness of innovative technologies in ensuring safe and efficient operations. This system is implemented not just in the automotive sector, but also in engineering and aviation. Its reach extends to various European countries and Mexico.